Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to create put REST API to update information in MongoDB by using Next.js. In previous video, we have created this one post REST API. So I'm just making a copy of it. So nothing special, just make a copy of this like that, and then I'm going to change the name of this. I say here put, remember that, because same type of coding I have to perform in put also. So I'm making a copy of this to save the time, and here I need to use put, remember that. Now I need to convert it as per the requirement. Remember that this post we have here, and this is the one post, this is two post. Okay, two copy we have, so I have to remove this one also. Only one copy I need. This is the post request, then this is the put request. So this one same code is there, but I have to change according to the put request. So in last video I have told you that in post I have used JSON format. Now I am using here form data, remember that. So in place of JSON I say here form data, remember that, and here I say form data, because if you are using HTML form then you will send data to form format like this. From this I fetch information eid equal to form data dot get, and I fetch eid from that, then like this eid, then I do copy of this and I say ename, then I say salary, then here I say ename, and here I say salary. Remember that these are the field that I have to fetch from HTML form. Name should be like this in a form field, and then I need to create an object of this. So I say const emp data, the data that I want to insert. For that I say eid, I say ename, I say salary. So like this I can create object by using these field, and that I'm sending here. But remember that no need to create a new record, we have to make a update. So for that I need to write here employee like this dot the function which I have to use. I say find one and update. Remember that this function I want to use, find one and update. So here I need to pass eid. On the basis of eid I want to update, and I pass the data that I want to update, and I say new to true to fetch to send the new data. So this one I am passing, and this one send data to result. If result is there, then I need to say record updated like this, otherwise I say record not updated. Simple one, done. Now we have to test it. For testing this I need to go to Postman here. First of all I need to get all the record from Postman. You see all records are there. Remember that the ID number 1 Dr. Vipin classes, salary is this one. So I want to change it to 8888. So I change to here put, and go to body, go to form data. Remember that form data selected, do not select row and JSON, select form data. Here we have a ID number, name, and in place of 999 I say here 88888 like this. Just dummy data I am sending. Click on this. If everything is okay, it will display record updated. You see record updated is coming. Now use get request and fetch your record, and you see that salary has been updated to 888. You can see here also, remember that salary is this one. If I refresh it, so you see salary is 8888. Like this information we have. So like this we are able to update information in MongoDB by using put REST API in Next.js 14 and above. If you like it, if you learn something from this, please consider to subscribe my channel, and see you in next video also for deleting a record. And thank you for watching this video.